It has been a long time since we have been on here. Yeah, so hello. Your outfit is not that cute today, Boogie. We were dealing with holidays and supposed to be vacation, sickness, and just life in general. But we are back and better than ever. Today, I'm going to be showing y'all every single animal that we have on Dogwood Farm. We have over 80 animals, and we literally, I feel like, add more all the time. It's so much fun. Come on. We're starting off strong in the chicken coop. Thank you. Thank you. So we have 45, I think, chickens. It's hard to count when they're always moving. We've got every breed you can imagine. We like chickens. They're easy. They give us all kinds of eggs. Here's our coop. We do sell their eggs at Ethan's parents' produce stand. And they're easy to keep and fun to have around. Whoa, whoa. You gotta learn where you stand, buddy. We do have 3 roosters. They were all supposed to be females and decided they were not going to be females. But the rest are. So 42 of them are. Chickens are normally what a lot of beginning homesteaders start out with, because you feed them and they lay eggs every day. They're easy, they're pretty. We like them. We've had them for a long time. Hey Harper, what's a goat say? What's it say? Yeah, pretty much. Can you hear them? Next up, we have got our goats. Believe it or not, they've already eaten, so they're not hungry. They just do this when they are happy, I guess. We have got 19 goats. 2 of them are males, which I will show y'all in a minute, and the rest of them are females. 9 of them are pregnant or will be pregnant. Here is some more. This black one right here, that is a male. Axel. Hello. These 2 are females. They are in the process of being bred. And Rocky is male. He's already done his breeding duties this season, so he's just chilling on his bachelor pad. We love our goats. I wanted goats forever. We got them, I would say almost 3 years ago, and we started out with 4, and then we have 19, and we breed them, like I said, and sell the babies. And this year, I think we're going to start milking some of them. That was the plan for last year, but we did get a little caught up with some other stuff. Are you feeding Honey dog food? Is she eating it? So if any of y'all want some Nigerian dwarves, y'all live in Virginia, please send us a message because we will have more than I'll know what to do with. All right, while we're sitting right here, this is Blue and Birdie. They are Great Pyrenees livestock guardian dogs. I put them up so I could take a video of them because when they're out, they do not sit still, which is surprising with a lot of Great Pyrenees. Normally they're a little more laid back, but right now they are just coming up on a year old, so they still have a little bit of growing up to do. We love them. They are so good with Harper. So good with her. They love people. They love the animals. Right now they do play with them a little bit much for me to leave them by themselves with our animals. But they are learning, and we are confident that soon they will be great protectors and pets. Some of our most recent additions are in the barn. Let them out. Hi, guys. You'll see them back there. Got some piggies. Hi, babies. This is Hammy and Chops, our coon-coons. Hi, Chops. I let them out of the barn, out of their stall, and they just will walk around while I'm cleaning up, and they try to look for treats. And Harper likes to chase them, which I don't really like, but she has fun, so. Hey, Harper, can we not chase them? Okay. Can you pet them? Ooh, oh my goodness. So we went up, I don't even remember where this was. It was almost 3 hours away from here. And we found these pigs, and they were a part of my Christmas present from Ethan. These two babies. So Chops is a male, the spotted one, and Tammy is a female, the red one. The plan is to eat Chops, and we are going to hopefully breed Hammy. That is the plan. They are 5 months old. He is not neutered, which I should probably go ahead and do, but I'm going to talk Ethan into something different, I think. I would like to talk Ethan into breeding Chops because he is so pretty, and then breeding Chops to some more girls we get, because obviously I can't breed them to Hammy, but if we get some more girls, which I think he's already looking for more, so we might as well, you know? Just makes sense to me. I don't know if I'm going to be able to find all of them to show y'all, but we also have a ton of cats. I think we have like 6 cats now. 3 we rescued from a business out in our town who had an overabundance of feral cats. So we took them in, trapped them, and they live in the barn now. It's a mom and 2 babies. There's one right there eating out of his food bowl that Harper has spilt all over the ground. And then we have 2 cats that one I rescued from a lady who just had an accidental litter a while ago. Hang on. And then the other cat, she actually had a litter of kittens under our investment house at the time. So we caught her and the kittens, brought them back here, and rehomed the kittens and kept the mama because You know, they're harder to rehome than kittens are. And then one cat, he just showed up one day and never really left, so he's a part of the family now. Are you gonna clean for me? Where's the broom? Where's the broom? Up there? Okay. Call her. That's sweet. There's Bessie and Gertie. Having a good old time. Harper is not coming to me, so I'm just going to show y'all some older videos of them. And then give y'all some updates on them too. Update on Gertie and Bessie. They are letting us feed them treats by hand. They will let us pet them on the head a little bit. You do got to be a little cautious. Because they will, you know, spook a little bit. But they're sweet. They're sweet. So sweet. Gertie is due soon. If you can't tell. Look at her getting all excited. Look at her. Go, Bessie. Bessie, I can't tell if she's pregnant yet or not. She's filling out a little bit, I think, but...
Damn, look at Gertie.
Gertie is waddling. Her bag,
Here,
see her
baby.
bag filling up.
Give this to her.
She'll be calving in a couple of days, I think. She gets scared of Harper, Ethan.
Okay. Come here. You want to touch her? I just want to pet you. I just want to pet you.
And we need to start halter training her because we are going to hand milk her. So we've got a long way to go with Miss Bessie over here. And I'm hoping she's going to calve out. I'm so hoping. She looks a little round to me. What do you think, babe?
I think she just looks healthy.
I think she's looking a little round. Oh, you give her a kiss? No.
You want to see Gertie?
Gertie is still pregnant, but I think she is going to be any day now. Because she is starting to get huge and bag up. Every time we come out here and it's muddy, you end up on the ground. Every time. Every time. Yuck. Wipe them off. Wipe your hands. Good girl. Here's another one of those totally feral rescue cats. Totally feral. Throw it for her, baby. Throw it. Throw it. She's still obsessed with cats. It's cats and cows now. All the sea animals are really cool. Don't throw it at her, baby. We also still have just the 2 horses. This is Roxy. She is our 22-year-old Morgan. Hi, baby. And this is Sunny. She is a 6-year-old quarter horse. Are you okay? Here, my hat is ruined now. Let me see. What happened? What happened? Okay, get up. You're okay. Dirt don't hurt. Are you all done?